Alright, back again. So to resume from previous tutorial, what we did was instead of minus we did plus. Plus is equal to, and here we pressed 1.5f, and now when we play the game it will spawn a bit back from the position of spawn point for allies. So what this means is, there you go, they appear from the back side of the player and they will improve. So here our players are 4, and when they will pass from here, which is the 4, our initial value is 4 and our new value will become 8. So instead of multiplying, it will create 8 more instead of 4, which we will fix in a second. And instead of plus 4, it will improve, like it will fix, like it will do like this. So to improve this, what we will do is instead of this tutorial single number. Okay, so first thing first is to create a function that we can create here. Void createAllies, createAllies, or createAllies or deleteAllies as well. So if we createAllies, so first let's fix this, that how we can createAllies, and here we will totally pass out all this thing. And we will copy this function and pass it here. So now we can totally remove this if you want to. Again, here few of the things are not passed out well enough, so here we will pass the thing, this other will be passed. So this is fine and it should work similarly. Okay, what did it give as an error? So it asks for again use it, and if we play here now, let's see what happens. So instead of this other as a game object, we will simply do this. Instead we will simply do this other like this, and it should be fine. So now when we play, it will be similar to what we should have left. Again, the trick here is to get the delta get the delta friends number, which is the change in the friends number. So we can do this. So there are a couple of methods through which we can find the change in friends number. So if we just comment it out, okay, so let's play it here. Tap to run here. Yes, similar behavior as the previous one. Right now when it passes through the 4, what it should do is it should not multiply by 8, but instead it should multiply by 4, which is the current number of friends number. So to do this, what we will do is simply so this is our this thing here, and this is our total number of friends number that is written over here. But here we want to pass recent increase number, or what do you call increase allies by increase allies to this number. So increase allies by or to increase allies to, let's do this like this, and this would be int. So again int, again we will simply call on this questionnaire data, and here data we will try to find out this multiplier value. So what we will do is pass this here like this, and number of allies to create. So this will tell us how many allies we are going to create, and instead of this thing here we will use this. And now when we play the game again, so this is how they show up. And when this, they will pass through this 4. So now there are total 8 number of allies, which you can count here, as they are parents of this thing here. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, exactly how we want. And now when we press 4 here again, this is how it increased to 8. And now what we can do is make a collective health system or health bars. So this is how it is, and next thing we will do is delete is by dealing with delete the allies. So next thing we will do is prefab multiplying, which we able to do. So now next thing we will do is we will check for the bullet collision. So this is what I am trying to say, that we will do in the next tutorial. So if you look here, as you can see, when these players hit a wall, their number increases, and so it will be like something like this. Again, it will be pretty simple, I think. So let's do this in the next tutorial.